Tired of cramped refrigerators and wilted veggies? Introducing the Bosch 187L single-door refrigerator. Enjoy industry's largest vegetable box and beverage space, keeping your produce fresh and your drinks perfectly chilled. Benefit from 18-hour cooling retention during power outages and 2.5x faster cooling for ultimate convenience. German-engineered for economical cooling, this fridge boasts a 3-star energy rating and a 10-year compressor warranty. Features include a 14L water storage, fastest ice making in under 60 minutes, and smart evaporation to prevent leaks. Upgrade your kitchen today. Check the first comment to buy now.